In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute notifications on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and if you just want to mute all the notifications, or if you want to turn off notification sound, including phone call, text messages notifications, and any other types of notifications, the easiest way to do so is turn on silent mode. To do that, we need to find that toggle button at the left edge of an iPhone, just above the volume up button, and using that button we can enable silent mode. To do that, just toggle it towards the back side of your device, and then it will say silent mode on. To turn off silent mode, we need to toggle it towards the screen, just like that. So in this way we can easily turn on silent mode, even if your device is in pocket. You can just in that way activate silent mode. That's the easiest way how we can do so. However, in that case, all the notifications will be displayed right here when they comes up, and a phone call will also be displayed on your screen while someone's calling you. If you want to hide all that notifications, I recommend you to activate do not disturb focus mode. The easiest way to do so is just swipe down from the top right corner to open up Control Center. As you can see, it says do not disturb. That means that currently my device is on do not disturb mode. We can easily turn it off, or we can tap right here to activate it. Also, we can configure do not disturb. To do that, go to Settings, Focus, and then do not disturb. As you can see, I got some people here. If we tap on it, we can see that even while do not disturb mode is activated, users from that list will still be able to call me or to text me, and the notifications from that users will not be muted. You can add people to that list by tapping at that plus sign, and then just in this way you can add any user right here. And the same about applications. We can go to apps, and then we can add some app to that list, just like that. That's basically how you can easily mute notifications on your iPhone.